Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see recently deleted apps on iPhone iOS 26. So actually it's very easy. First of all, of course, you need to open the App Store on your device, and here from the main page you need to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. So click on it and you will see this account menu. Now all you have to do is to simply click on the apps right here. And now you'll see the one button called My Apps. Just click on My Apps here. And now you'll see the list of applications that you have now on your phone or that you deleted. But if you click on Not on this iPhone in the top of the screen, you will see all recently deleted apps on your account. So basically you can scroll and find the app you want to reinstall and click on the little cloud sign next to it, and basically that is it. That is how you can find recently deleted apps on your iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.